Hi there, I'm Jordy. I'm a PhD in organic chemistry and I just bought this shirt from LABFRESH, which is 100% cotton, so 100% natural fabric. Apparently they found a way to make sure that this shirt doesn't show any sweat stains. And to test it out, today I'm going to work on my camper van. So usually I sweat a lot. So let's see if the shirt actually works, or the technique actually works. Okay, so I've been working now for a few hours on my van, and as you can see underneath my armpits there are no sweat stains. And I will now turn out my shirt and then you can see the sweat stains on the inside. Okay, so as you can see, this is the inside of the shirt. Then over here you can clearly see the sweat stains underneath my armpits. And if you turn it inside out, it's really cool. It's completely dry. You don't see anything. So cool. Happy with that.